Sometimes they can say sell no use. Right now they can that it comes from the other side. There's several more kinds of business not fine for you.
Easy for me. What is your problem? Charlie, it's not easy. All keep stronger. If they put there to try to make it sell. What's in it for the day? Your friend.
Well, let them fix airports for airport. Man, some of we when they go school, watch the laptop, and then kind business out. That's about it.
This na hard work and not a job. Obviously, what's a man? If they gain who them call it. I for no more for everybody picking no go do bad, understand? So now that took me all this. Yeah. But we need help.
Now money we campus on say the day they don't 10,000 money they do. Wait till they go to survive. So we will survive through by the time if not they dig in, but put stuff then they stop. But if you see work now, they will go survive.
Freetown, a city built on resilience, resting between the ocean and mountains, always moving, always hustling. Here, survival is an art, a daily performance weaving through the markets, the traffic, the sweat, and the unstoppable ambition of its people. This is the story of those who keep the art of the capital beating, the vendors, petty traders, and wheelbarrow pushers.
We get some problems, the police and the RNC. So to come for the money, they the one where they practice no play the money. So we don't have to stress because of we not get side for sale, we not get mask. So we get stress, so we not get side. Sometimes they can say sell no use. Right now they can that it comes from the other side. There's several more kinds of business not fine for you.
Despite making the economy stable, but these vendors still endure challenges that keeps them going.
What is your problem? Charlie, it's not easy. All keep stronger. If they put there to try to make it sell. What's in it for the day? Your friend. And you know okay. That's an all team. This. So right now the sofa back there on the family. No, and we try to make it yourself. What do you get? Yeah, you can. What 6 hours a day? So how the business to run how the business
The issue of not making major sales per day is not just the major challenge affecting these vendors.
See the skin we much na this market at the water. We need road maintenance. Woman they disturb and the water they affect we more na the market. The skin more for the water.
Then people are ready to adults. People are there with $10. Right? People are there where they make phones. Also only phones, laptops. Man, they where they buy phones and cell phones. So yeah, we not get any criminal around here. As for the city community, long present, everybody busy. Nobody they already been on posting so everybody they do your own thing. I believe say the economy in a present, the country as a whole, the border is stable, it's peaceful. You don't get anything to say when not bad. some of this hula and we will make us survive. And I give them to give you any day will pay 20,000 for her.
And I rent to rent.
Yeah, and I rent to rent. Well, how much I can make because wakati need better. At times I can offer them 100,000 and that can watch back for the family survive, understand? And city council and back here around back by that for the tax.
Wow. What types of constraints them we can go to? Like whenever I pull you outside for can ride, the constraints that we can go to.
Well, the constraints that I can do, because one I can remember my family first, early morning before they come on with me, I remember for how many family they survive, understand? So that's all that discouraged for me. Yeah, me one, my mama know there, my papa know there, they're all there upline. The family all know me.
From another again right now, oh no they do. And where the cell can seize right now, when back where they can do that, all the way, not to wait for they do. Now money we campus on said say the day they don't 10,000 money they we see they do so like some like who don't borrow. We get 1, 2, 3 picking there, but the work can just seize no more before people really can buy to big man again. The message what they send to the people do actually the government down home and abroad now. If now work day like NGO or that in them, they can even search for single workers then. Like we do boku, but we know they say salon and several right now for their work. And if we can't do under this man the man know they sell right now, how we go get work. And if now the government put on and the other people them, at times we they can put and they able to take 3, 4, 5 man there, they go able to survive. Or that man way they can take, and the other man back when they take pay job, put and stuff. So go able to survive too, but then and they if not they dig in, but put stuff then they stop. But if you see work now, they will go survive.
But only the message understand. Cause this na hard work and not a job. Obviously, what's a man? They gain who them call it. I for no more for everybody picking up good do bad. Understand? So now that we hold this. Yeah. Oh, we need help. All it's landing.
Then get for help me this road from here to go cottage. And now we get road problem. The water they disturb. Yeah. No time, no the way water they stop here. Any time water they disturb. We need me help me from here to cottage for me to maintain the road.
Or let them put effort for help with the youth. And some of we when they go school, because of family then kind business out Kasabalu, because of black from then 1980 they go school because of who do the run diary. No get no success from the school and they decide who go to family can business there.
they sell the one they are the diaspora and say they every for them we get market, they do even the government for them get market for them we sell, let go outside with they will sell for them we sell because we then have people they go on that they so we need market. One of them go over and they every bar, they them back fit for we will sell guest outside we sell.